least yes abasebengenile at least ngathi bazokwazi best candidates. But ke so the simfumano simfunayo. Next.
Go.
Coming. Puti, what's wrong with you? You may close your mouth, Fanumlo.
Can you only man come in?
Aye, we said come in.
Oh, hi.
As such, why you may have a seat. You, so this is in those eight. Musalanga. No, this is it. We are the pinda.
Guys, you see, don't have. We beg a python. Ah, a python.
No. You may have a seat.
Yo, like I libel. Indoda esiXhosa. Libale into esenjalo.
So I saw your CV. It's very impressive. Tell us more about yourself.
Me is you. You is me. Me good in singing. Me good in everything.
What makes you think that you're suitable for the job?
Mna ntombi. Ndiyaziwa mna ntombi. Ndiyazinxiba isuti. Mna ndiyathanda uphunga. Ndiyathanda uphunga ijoko. Mna.
What are your goals?
Ngoku ndidlala ibhola ntombazana. Hayi mna. Ndandofaka amanqaku. Yo, ndisaziwa ufaka amanqaku. Ndingakhathali futhi noba igoals zijonge ngapha. Mna. Kick. Phakathi. People. Yeah. Wena good. Ezami intanga ayozandazi. Igoal ndiyazenzela nasekhaya.
I don't need any chance, ne? Let's proceed. What experiences do you have?
Na proceed.
What experiences do you have?
Oh, ndinazo zonke izixhobo zosebenza. Kodwa le pilens. Ipilens yo hayi andikazisebenzisa ezo zixhobo. Yo hayi inzima ipilens. Yo dla ngopha abantu besithu.
You are even dressed very unprofessional.
Yeah, professional. You dressed.
How come you're kanje when you come into an interview? Yes.
Huh?
Do you think you are fit enough for this job?
Yo, mna. Ntombazana mna. Whoa! Phansi samente yabo. Lift down. Yabo? Mna fit him.
Ayona ntsifuna yini.
Dlala induku yabo. Dlala induku mna. Wonke umuntu uyadlala yini ma. Mna fit zwing. Zwing.
There's something wrong with you. Yes.
You're wrong.
What more qualities do you have?
Condom. Ikhona umeza ba. Sikhwele kasibheke down. Yabona?
Qualities. Qualities.
Ukhalo hayi. Ukhalo ukhona pha elalini.
Qualities.
Kwambuzo
nobuza wona uphendule ecaleni. I meant qualities.
Umente sisikolo yeso pha elalini.
I rest my case. Yabona namhlanje onaphangela. I've never met someone like this.
Imet, ebesingenofuna nto apha eofisini mlungu wam. Imet.
Makasimbuzi into obvious. What is your nationality, Puti?
Andilahli inaliti. Yabona mna inaliti
Nationality.
Nationality. Abona abantu bangaboni bangazilahli inaliti. Na chana ngo. Ba.
Ucaba sithi lahli naliti. It's nationality.
Nationality.
Yasibazisa.
Abona lento yokufunda edolophini. Andinoyichana nyani. Kodwa lahli naliti. Wena uthi nationality and nationality. Me, not the same thing. Thing is not the you.
Uliba sabantu yazi. Abantu bafuna umsebenzi ba desperate.
Funa umsebenzi nyani. Funa usebenza nyani unganika.
Uzosilibazisa nje apha. What is your sexuality ke? Mhlawumbe uzoyazi. What is your sexuality?
Sexing everybody. Sex you. Sex you. Sex you. Sex you. No. Sex everyone.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you ngosikazi. Yabona bathi nguma thank you pha. Zithi my thank you. My thank you. My thank you. My thank you. My thank you.
So Aisha, you've wasted our time. Enkosi yabulela kakhulu. Yabona kuyo yonke into iphendileyo. Let's sex everybody.
Funa me. Sex you. Me.
No man. Thank you. Thanks uzofonela ungasifoneli. Don't call us, we'll call you.
Hey, bye-bye.
Don't call us, we'll call you. Ungaphindi uze va? Usizobiza.
Oh, ndihla ndifaka ndifaka ikhola. Yeah, ngifaka ikhola mna. Manje ifaka nayo umfundisi ikhola mna. Njengoba ndifakilela ngoku. Yabona mna ndiyazwa kakhulu ekwi-collars.
Bhuti, ewe.
Yabona?
Hayi Coca-Cola sa.
Oh, ukhola wena. Ukhola me.
You?
Not drink Coca-Cola.
Ngiyakhe video-rize umuntu akantrende yazi.
Hayi
Udala zavala.